How is your outlook for the year changed when it comes to capital allocation?
The markets were running for the last 2 years based on liquidity. Too much money was chasing too few stocks. The house view remains constructive on India. Irrespective of what you say, this economy is going to go from 3.5-4 trillion to 7-8 trillion. Now, in such adversities, you get some great companies at some great prices, and we are taking full advantage of that. No, we are not in cash at all. We are fully invested. Luckily for the mutual fund industry, the inflow is still strong.
Small and mid cap stocks. Do you think if the West Asia crisis continues, we could see a pullback in this segment?
The energy thing is just about getting started in India. The penetration of healthcare is somewhere beginning. General insurance is about to become serious in the country. Most of these companies, when you see on the listing space, are more in mid and small. And these are genuine pillars to the growth of the economy going forward.